Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? I'm not interested in a love I have to earn, beg for, or perform for. I want to be loved as a choice and on purpose, not as a reward. Absolutely. Cry. Let that water go. You were drowning. All a feeling asks for is to be felt, so it may pass. You are right where you are meant to be. Just 20 minutes of sunshine a day triggers your body to release over 200 antimicrobials to fight fungi, parasites, and viruses. And should be. Tenderness and vulnerability are superpowers. Oh yeah. Let's pick one of these today. Embrace change. Yes, yes. Though available to all of us, the state of peace is reached by very few people. The inner experience of most people is marked by constant stress. The main stress to the majority of us is not due to external stimuli, but to the pressure of our own suppressed emotions. Most people who learn and practice the letting go technique notice a progressive improvement in physical health and vitality. I can't change which way the river bends, so I might as well strap in and enjoy this strange little boat ride. Anyone bring a cooler? How cute. Don't should yourself, and don't let anyone else should you either. There is no room for want or drive of your own humanity when should arrives, because should already has a plan. But that clear direction has a price. It eliminates possibility and wonder from your life. Could gives you that, an option, not an obligation. Should means sorry, but could is so much better. And the last card today. "44. In the flow. Let go of the small stuff." Are you irritated by the small stuff like dirty dishes, traffic, or clothes on the floor? Will you let it be and let it go? Respond with love. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.